War is never a lasting solution for any problem. Dream is not what you see in sleep, it is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. A small aim is a crime. Have great aim. If four things are followed: having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. For great men, religion is a way of making friends. Small people make religion a fighting tool. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcendent. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Creativity is seeing the same thing, but thinking differently. Without your involvement, you can't succeed. With your involvement, you can't fail. Great teachers emanate out of knowledge, passion, and compassion. What is success? When your signature changes to autograph. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human being can be created by teachers. For me, there are two types of people in all over the world: the young and the experienced. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. An undefined problem has an infinite number of solutions. Your beliefs don't make you a better person. Your behavior does. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. 5 tips to be successful in life. I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am the winner. Today is my day. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence. And face your future without fear.